In this next video we are going to look at accuracy and accuracy within Tinkercad. The first tool that we're going to look at is the alignment tool. So what I'm going to create is I'm going just to create a number of blocks which will sit on top of each other, decreasing in size. I'm just going to start with 60, and again, just from the previous video, if I wanted to, I could use the side option here to do my measurements for me. So either I have 60 by 60 by 60. There we go. Something is incorrect here now. Okay. So obviously I edited there we go. Alright. That's my first block. So that's a bit big. I'm just going to make it proportionally smaller. So that, again, that's just something that was covered in the last one. The last video, the last section. That's fine. Happy with the color? Yeah, I am. Next thing I'm going to do is I am going to duplicate. So I'm going to duplicate that block here. So now I have two blocks. Okay. So if I wanted to, then I could work and I could put them on top and that might work there like that. Easier way to do that: get the work plane, drop it on top, and I am just going to create another box and I'm just going to put it on top of that. Yeah, happy with 20 by 20. I want to create another box and put it on top, and that's going to be same size, they're both. So I'm going to make it 10 by 10 by 10 by 10. So now I have three blocks here, and I suppose one option that you could do is you could change your snap grid here to quite small, go to your top view, change to an orthographic view, and you could maybe just move that. It's gonna maybe just move this here to the middle where you think it is. Okay, an actual easier way to do this is I'm going to go back and I'm going to set my work plane back down again on the ground. So what I want is I want these to all be in line. So I'm just going to catch the first two blocks here, and I'm going to go to this button up here, which is the align button, and I want to align it with the center. So now you can see this should be aligned with the center, and there you have it. So I'm going to escape out of that, and I'm going to catch the two. So I'll click this one here, click this one, and then select that one, and I want to align. So now I'm going to look on top again, and I'm going to align it with the center. You can also line up the end, the edges, wherever you want, but no, I wanted the center, so there you go. So that's the first thing you can do. You can actually use the align button to work off it. It's going to delete this one and delete this one. You can also align the edges. Quite a nice feature here is that when you click the first block and then you select the other one, click one and you select them, then your alignment works off of this block here. So you can see they're going to push together here, they're going to raise to the height, they're going to be there level with that. So I might do that, and what you'll see here is when the options go grey, that means it's aligned in that along that point. So when I go to the top here and I want to move it to the middle, small little adjustment to the middle, maybe I want to go to the corner. So there you have it, different options. Then if you click that, you're going to get different options here then again to work around with. So that's just the align option.